Hello, does a laptop or PC hangs or freezes occasionally while you're playing game or working with it? First thing you're going to do, locate the PC and the processor, remove the heatsink on it and scratch out this portion this way. The reason is because dirt and debris built up on this area over time, and this is the section that transfers cool air from the cooling fan onto the processor to cool it down. You're going to scratch it out this way gently, as careful as possible, and then the next thing you're going to do is to locate the processor itself and then remove the old cooling paste on it that has become dried and inefficient. You're going to remove it gently without damaging the processor. You have to be as careful as possible. And remember, if you haven't liked and subscribed to the channel, like and subscribe to the channel. I have great videos on how to fix different office equipment. So after removing the old paste, the next thing you're going to do is to locate the cooling fan itself. There are dirt and debris on it which has been able to build up on it over time. You're going to remove it also with a brush, or you can use an air to get it out. And then you do the same thing for the heatsink also, the part that the outlet for the hot air. You're going to remove dirt and debris that is hanging around that area also. And then the next thing I want to do right now is to apply the cooling paste onto the processor itself. If you need a link to where you can be able to get the cooling paste, if you can't get it around your area, you can just hit me up in the comment section. I'll give you a link to where you can get a good quality cooling paste for your processor. So that is it, folks. Remember to like and subscribe, and I'll see you some other time. Thanks.